Hey there, young entrepreneurs! If you're dreaming of starting a business that's smart, scalable, and future-proof, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an incredible business idea, using AI to revolutionize property management services. Whether you're new to the game or looking to expand your portfolio, this idea has massive potential. Let's break it down. Property management can be a headache. Tenant inquiries, maintenance requests, rent collection, scheduling repairs. The list goes on. But what if I told you AI agents can simplify all of this? Yes, we're talking about automating repetitive tasks and optimizing operations so you can focus on growing your business. First, let's talk opportunity. Property management is an evergreen industry. People will always need places to live and work, but managing properties efficiently is a huge pain point. This is where your AI-powered agency comes in, offering solutions that save time, reduce costs, and improve tenant satisfaction. With the property management market growing steadily, there's no better time to jump in. Plus, with AI, you'll be ahead of the competition. Now let's get specific. What can AI do for property management? Here are 3 powerful applications you can implement. AI agents can handle tenant inquiries 24/7, answer frequently asked questions, and even schedule maintenance appointments automatically. This means no more late-night calls for you. AI can send polite rent reminders to tenants, and even handle secure payment processing. Forget chasing down payments. AI does it for you. With predictive analytics, you can spot potential maintenance issues before they become costly problems. For example, AI can analyze data from HVAC systems or plumbing to predict when repairs are needed. Imagine how much smoother everything will run with these tools in place. You might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it for me? The answer is yes. Here's why AI-powered property management is a perfect fit for young entrepreneurs like you. You don't need to own properties to start. Partner with landlords or property owners and offer your AI solutions as a service. Once you set up the system, you can easily manage multiple properties without increasing your workload. Landlords and property owners are always looking for ways to make their lives easier. You're providing value by solving their biggest pain points. With these advantages, you're set up for long-term success. Ready to dive in? Here's a simple step-by-step plan to get started. Get familiar with AI tools like ChatGPT, Tidio, or Zendesk for tenant communication, and tools like Apify or Predictive Maintenance.ai for analytics. Start small. Offer your services to local property owners or landlords. Show them how AI can save time and money. Showcase your services, testimonials, and case studies. Make it easy for clients to understand the value you bring. Use social media, Google Ads, and networking events to reach potential clients. Position yourself as the go-to expert in AI property management. Take these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving AI-powered business. So there you have it. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool that can transform how property management is done. If you're ready to take the leap, start small, stay consistent, and watch your business grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Let's turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality, one step at a time. See you in the next video.